Good morning, dear students. I am Mahesh Das Mahant, your English teacher. Today we will study Honeysuckle, chapter 3, Taro's Reward. Okay, so pay attention and listen carefully. Dear students, this is a story about a thoughtful and loving son. He works hard to fulfill his parents' wishes and gets some unexpected help. Okay, so listen carefully, watch to know what is the unexpected help. Okay, dear students, Taro's reward. Okay, Taro's reward means he got a unbelievable, unexpected reward. A young woodcutter named Taro lived with his mother and father on a lonely hillside. All day long he chopped wood in the forest. Though he worked very hard, he earned very little money. Okay, dear students, a named woodcutter Taro, okay, lived with his father and mother in the corner of a hillside area. Okay, and all day he worked hard and he chopping wood and he selling wood and buy money, but a little money he earned. Okay, and he this made him very sad because he was not fulfill his parents' daily needs. Okay, so he was very sad for this. Okay, and now one day what happened one evening when all the family members were sitting in the corner of his house. Okay, corner of his house. Okay, then what happened? A strong wind began to blow it. Okay, and the some area cracked the huts and hut, and everyone felt very cold. Okay, suddenly Taro's father said, "I wish I had a cup of shake. It would warm me and do my old good." His father asked, shivering from cold, and he asked his son to have a and manage some shake. Shake, dear students, shake is a kind of we can say beverage. Okay, which drinking beverage. Okay, and it gives warmth for the body. Okay, and this made Taros very sad because he earned very little money from his um, wood cutting tree. Okay, and because shake is expensive beverage and liquid. Okay, drinking, and how could I manage it? And he when in the next morning, he wake up very early and taking his axe went to the forest. And till mid in the afternoon, he worked very hard, and he soon became very tired, and his body take up his jackets because his mouth was dry and his face was full of sweat. Okay, and he he is very thirsty for a water. Then what happened? He suddenly hear some noise of water stream. Okay, then what happened? He ran to the water. Okay, and ran to the water and hearing rushing stream in the part of this area, because in this part of area forest there is no rainfall, waterfall. But when he saw a small waterfall. He knelt down at his feet, and he cupped a little in his hands. Okay, and he was surprised because it was a sack. Okay, and it was a water sack. He again cupped and again tasted. Then what happened? Again he found that it was a delicious sack. Okay, instead of water. Then quickly he filled his jar. Okay, listen. He filled his jar. Is this water and pitcher jar, and then went to return to home. And delighted, he was very delighted to serve his sake for his old parents. Okay, and some of the neighbors come here, and his fathers serve his delicious sake, and Taros told about this story, about this magic or waterfall. Okay, and suddenly a lot of villagers came there, and he all tasted the magic beverage, and his buckets and jars were empty. Okay, and now in the morning, all the peoples went down to fill with his all buckets, jars, and to in front of this fountain, this waterfall. Okay, but one of them tasted this waters of the waterfall, and he said that there is no sack. This is only a normal water. Okay, then bring the Taro where he is. But Taro is very clever. He hide himself. Okay, and now when all the villagers returned from this waterfall, he again went to test the waterfall's water. Then he again found that it was a sack. Then he again filled his pitcher with his sack and went back. Okay, this is the story. Went the emperor of the Japans, and he bring the Taros and rewarded with a 20 gold coins, and also this said that the parents help and parents obedience is very good. Okay, this is the story of this explanation of this Taros reward. I hope explained very well. Okay, if you feel any difficulty, you can contact me without any hesitations. Till then, thank you. Have a nice day.